Wow, my friends at Aleader sent me some of their water shoes for a second time, but this is their latest model, the Drain Pro XT. They slip on easily, and they also look and feel like a sneaker, making it comfortable to walk and hike. I love to enjoy nature surrounding me and enjoy hikes through waterfalls, and these water shoes are perfect for it. They're lightweight, durable, and provide excellent traction on the surface. And they also have men's water shoes in a variety of colors you can choose from. What I also like about these water shoes, they're great for use in and out of water. They're breathable, flexible, stylish, and they have an adjustable lace system for quick and easy adjustment. And they also have a drainage system for maximum drainage. And you can get your own water shoes too when purchasing them on the Aleader website using my discount code in the link in the description box, and you're gonna love them too.